TikTok news journalist Grace McKinnon decided to use Ana da Silva's incredible duck lasagna as inspiration for her annual Chilean family celebration.
So today we're celebrating more than 30 years of my family moving to Melbourne, coming from Chile. Tonight at dinner, I've got my grandma, Mama Judy, my two aunties, Doris and Patty, and my mum, Claudia. I learned to cook from my family. My youngest memories have been cooking with my family, sitting on bench tops, stirring cakes, cooking Chilean food. I love to cook so much. I think if I wasn't a journalist, I'd be a chef or a cook.
Grace, ¿qué estás haciendo? What are you doing?
So I'm putting the toasted bun, toasted bread in the blender.
All right.
And then I'm going to get all the nice crunchy duck skin and put it in as well.
Oh.
So we're going to make un pan granata.
Okay.
And it's going to go on top of the lasagna, nice and crunchy on top. So I'm going to eat it.
Using the ingredient duck was always a challenge. It always seemed really intimidating and something luxurious you'd have at a restaurant. And then I started going on YouTube, started looking at cookbooks I had, and I realised that it doesn't actually need to be this luxurious item that you have once a year at a restaurant. You can actually incorporate that every day into your cooking if you wanted to.
So I've already started peeling off some of the duck skin here.
Okay, the
So
skin.
it's nice and crunchy, nice and crispy. Can you smell?
Oh, that's nice.
It smells so
look
good.
Beautiful.
So we're just going to put it all in here.
So for me, it became taking something that seemed so out of range to cook at home and bringing it back to the table, having it simple and not making too much of a fuss over it.
You're cooking very well, Gracie. I never cook like that.
Gracias. So all this beautiful duck meat, I want to take off the duck because it's all going in the lasagna.
Cooking has always been a big thing for our family. It's what we gather around. It's how we get together, and it's always a big deal. It's never anything small. It's always a big barbecue. It's always we put on a big show, and it just shows how much we love each other.
Mum raised us with this incredible discipline. Do what you have to do to get to where you need to go, but do it with a humble attitude and not stepping over anybody else. Just work hard for what you want to achieve.
Oh, wow. Gracie. Oh, yummy. Oh, great.
It's really fun.
Oh my God, it's delicious.
Oh, the garlic bread is like divine.
It's so nice to celebrate 37 years of you guys being here. It is so special.
Cheers, everyone.
Thank you, Grace, for having us.
Chilean with Chilean wine.